Hello, my dear no friends. Now we are going to know how we are going to log in an application and check out the data which is approved by our supervisors. So let's start. First of all, by your senior officers, you are going to get a username and password that we need to fill it here. So let's do it. In case you forget the password, click on forget password. While the time of your ID is created, your mobile number is connected with that. On that mobile number, you get a OTP confirmation that will help us to know that you are changing your ID password. No other person is using your ID, as misuse also can happen. So for this, we are confirming that you are resetting your password. For that, please make OTP confirmation and then reset your password. I have entered my username and password. Just click on login. Once you click on login, this is our home page, dashboard page, whatever it's a convenience for you, you can say it. Here you are assigned to do the work in the villages. So the total number of villages, you can get it here. Check the list by clicking simply on the total villages. First of all, for which state you are assigned to work is auto selected. Then you need to select the district. If you are allowed to more than one district, you need to select it out. Then Tehsil, I am allocated with two Tehsil, and I'm going to check the data for this Tehsil I have selected and click on saved. Once I click on save, I'm able to get the whole data here. The villages, their current status. Now I'm going to tell you what the status means. What? Not started means the emulator has not started working on that villages. No data is present there for the Pashugarna, you can say it. Then there is a one status, approved supervisor. You can see here, approved supervisor means supervisor has approved the data which is submitted by the emulator. It's accepted. Okay, then you can see a partially rejected supervisor. It means supervisor found some mistake in the data, that is not fully data is corrected, not we can say fully data is, means minor mistake has been done. So he has rejected and provided a remark. You can view the remark also. You can view what the data exactly the emulator has filled. So you can view it out. And then approved by DNO means you have already approved the data for that village. Here is the action button. Clicking on action button, you can view the form, all the details which is filled by the emulator, the data for that village. If the villages list is too long and you want to filter it out, just enter here the keyword, the name of village, and you will get it out like this. It's a simple thing and the best way, easier to you. Click on back. Now not started means still now. Here is a not started, which means till now the work has been not started in a village. You can see the list, communicate to others, and so on. We need to work approved supervisor. Here is the approved supervisor. We need to simply select the district, Tehsil, and click on save. Now the list is same we are having a previously. Now the data has been sorted out with the approved supervisor status. Okay, now we simply need to click on action button. I have found there is 3 household. The form, the data which emulator has filled is divided into the 2 parts. One is household and another is stray animals. So simply click on household. He has submitted the 3 household. Okay, you can check by clicking on the arrows. Okay, 4 animals, 4 portrait forms. Let's check it out. This is the minimum information we get it. If you want to view the whole data what the form has filled exactly, click on view. Here you get whatever the form the emulator has filled, the fields, the values, you can check it out. Click on next, you can get the animals. He has said there is a 4 number of animals, 1 tagged and 3 untagged animal. By clicking on view, you can get the exact details. Then click on next, you can see all the data at one page. After that, simply click on back. Click on stray animals. There is no stray animals in that villages. Okay, fine, perfectly. If in case you want to reject, just click on reject it. Put the remark, whatever you want, whatever is the mistake in the data, why you want to reject it. Click on proceed and just reject the data. Okay, now we are going to approve it. Okay, first of all, we are rejecting. Let's see. Rejected due to there is stray animals. Okay, we can say that. Proceed. Now the village status update, you have rejected once. Now let's see for the approval. Here we have checked all the data. Similar way we need to check, like household, Here is a one household named Ram Prasad. Okay, we have viewed. He has already the animals as well as portrait. So check this out. Now I'm clicking on next. After checking animals, it shows the portrait information. We can check by the same view to check the more detail. Next, here we get the whole details. Then come back. Now I need to check it out the stray animals. He is having filled the stray animals information data also. Checked it. Okay, dog. 2 dogs, female. Okay, I want to view the whole information. I can view it back. Now I want to approve. I simply click on approve. It says, are you sure you want to fill the data at one click? Yes, data is perfectly correct. Now the status is update. I have done all my work. Okay, now see, approved by the DNO. We get it, that you can view it here like same. The partial rejected by the supervisor, you can view on clicking on partial rejected and go on the status and check the data whether it's a partially rejected or not, what information exactly is filled. And same way you can check it out for the rejected. Now you are having on the right side, on the down of the page, you see the setting. Click on setting. If you want to continue in your native language, you can simply click on language and select it out. Likewise, I want in Assamese. I have selected Assamese and language changed to Assamese. I can work. Then if I want to reset my password, simply click on reset password, fill your old password, enter the new password, confirm the new password and change it out. If your work has been done and you want to log out from the application, simply click on log out. That's it. That's how the data work, and you can approve and disapprove the work. The data has been provided by the supervisor. Thank you.